Hey everybody, this is a quick video to help you if you have a Frigidaire brand dehumidifier and it's giving you an EC code and you're wondering what is this code and what can I do to get rid of it. So first of all, the EC code, it happens when it's detecting some kind of error and anomaly with the sealed components. So basically, like any kind of dehumidifier or air conditioner, it has coils and a compressor where there's a compressor and it compresses the coolant and then evaporates the coolant. So you're going to so the first thing you want to do to get rid of this error is to restart the machine. So just unplug it from power completely, leave it disconnected from power for 30 seconds, and then you can turn it back on. And then that'll clear out the error. But if you have a crack or a leak or something like that within your sealed system, you're going to have to get that fixed. And the only way to really do that is to have a technician look at it. But to prevent it from coming back in the future, you can make sure you keep everything cleaned and serviced at regular intervals. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.